Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can change the search engine in the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so in the Shift AI browser you will need to click into that gear icon in the top right and here click into Advanced Settings. Next, click into the Search Engine tab on the left hand side, and as you can see, Google is the current search engine for me. You can manage these by clicking into this button or use that change button here to the right to switch from Google to, I don't know, any other of these supported search engines like Perplexity, Yahoo, Brave, DuckDuckGo, Bing, and so on and so forth. And even set it as default if you like by clicking into this button. Or you go to this option, Manage Search Engines, and then you may, for example, remove any of these, or you may add a new one, for example, and customize these by clicking into that pencil button. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.